What's going on, guys? It's Chandler David Smith here. Why don't you go on ahead and just smash the old like-a-rooney button?
Hello, everybody.
What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith
And Yogi.
and Yogi.
What's going on, guys? It's Chandler David Smith, medium famous YouTube star. C8 Corvettes and Teslas and Burr.
Hello, I'm Garrett, also known as Yogi. Chandler is my boss and also my arch nemesis.
There's old Garrett and the mustache.
The beast in the wild.
Real estate, courses, I'll probably throw in a car or two. Italian leather, fancy, real estate, baby. Smash the button, just smash it.
If you want to know more about Garrett, you can find him on Instagram at
Yogi_Myers.
Yogi. We call him Yogi because
It's a nickname I gave myself.
What's going on,
okay,
guys? I'm doing the intro. You're not doing the intro.
I got this one. Let me handle it. What's going on, guys? It's Garrett Myers, Chandler David Smith. Gotta use a middle name. Yes, indeed.
Say that again, I cut you off.
Yes, indeed we are.
Oh,
We
we're
are
done.
indeed. We are enthused by this property.
What are you laughing at? What?
So I think we're getting
This is turned with the camera.
Talking without speaking.
Oh, sorry. Classic Chandler Smith. Those of you who don't know this guy on a personal level. Hey, Garrett, be there at 10:30 sharp. Garrett rolls in at 10:20. Chandler rolls up at 10:45.
It was 10:38. I actually helped put I was right. Look at his shoes. Look at his shoes. He's freaking wearing sandals. Biggest reason you picked it up at that price is because you're the only person I know that wears Carhartt shirts with Lululemon. So, I don't know. Yeah.
This is a white Lamborghini Gallardo.
I think it's pronounced Gallardo.
I don't know about the pronunciation, but people love it. Mama knows best. That's what they always say.
You want to own being mama, you go for it.
If you wanna leave, we can leave now.
The sale Chandler got is my brother. Chandler was that kid in high school who was actually pretty yacked. It was all bark, no bite though. Here's what I'm thinking.
3 rows of them in here.
Another one of those operations that steals Lamborghinis.
What are you doing?
I was just hungry and Chase had some leftover. Carry on. Chase, is this okay if I have a little chicken wing? I can't get the ranch open though.
Floors.
3 inches of poop. And I had to get on my hands and knees and suck it up.
Oh, you mean with a
You made all the money.
You mean with a utility something, right? With a machine of some kind.
No, with a shop vac.
With a straw. Let me give you guys a brief intro on how to make ads. This will be good for the YouTube community too. So the most effective ads, they mention something like this, and then you try and persuade people to rent our storage units. What's going on, guys? We've got these storage units here. We've got big ones, small ones, and 2 variations of medium ones. Sign up now for a real big discount.
Say half off.
Half off. Do you want to live by a train station and hear their This is the perfect rental property for you. Do you have cats that want to all over? This carpet comes pre-broken in. Do you want to throw your junk everywhere? Buy this house. Your yard is a dumpster. Are you a farmer that wants to live in the city? Well, here at Yogi or Jack's Properties, we've got your own planter boxes. Half off.
You always forget half.
I always forget.
Actually, double the price. if
Double
we
the price.
increase rents.
Garden boxes. Do you want to escape the hustle and bustle of the big city life? Do you want to turn off YouTube Stop listening to these obnoxious YouTubers asking you to like, subscribe, and follow. Come up to Ashton. We barely have internet up there. It is a wonderful, marvelous place. And you can join me for some Red Bulls on this wonderful furniture. What's going on, guys? Do you want real steel doors? Better than wood, they say.
I feel like I talked a lot.
That happens. Why do I have to take my shirt off?
Because it's hilarious. I've done videos with Stradman, Ryan Pineda, Meet Kevin, Bram Steffen, and the video that pops off faster than any other video is the second that Garrett goes down to his tank. Can you imagine what's gonna happen when we get him down to no shirt on?
You buy you and I matching cowboy boots.
Okay, deal. Now I feel like we need a seductive video with some background music.
Hey Ruth, what you doing this Thursday evening, girl? Just kidding, I'm happily married. I have 2 kids. Ruth? Can't have this. And so you're bearded Brandon. I'm mustache Yogi. What would
There we go. I like it.
What would it take to either get you with just a stash or me with a beard? It smells like cat urine, and not the good kind. Urine.
And you actually learned how to use a spray gun, painted it yourself.
I made a mess.
I love the pictures of that.
I have a real life with real friends and family, and I see them after Chandler makes me do these dumb videos. And they're like, what do you get out of this video? I'm sure the payment's coming.
Here's the rules. You have 30 seconds to explain what you would do to fix this problem. So we're gonna have Garrett go first.
I'm thinking you just move the whole wall about 4 inches this way. New wall, thicker window.
Double window, double pane.
Yeah, it's extra insulation.
It's really hard to stay focused when Garrett's here. LVP just on the whole entrance, because it does seem to smell the worst here, right?
Well, that hallway smells, I wonder if that's part of it.
Yeah, so for sure redo the hallway, redo this. I don't think that it's sunk in on a lot of this. I think there was in
The guy really.
because he was able to help Brad purchase this property, and now we're gonna go see.
That's for everybody that said I was fat in the last video. I commented back to all of them and said, your mom says otherwise. So let me know if you need a dancer out there at your bar.
How far are you willing to go?
I'm just giving you a hard time.
You look good in that.
See you, Ruth. You already got a car parked in here, huh?
Yeah, not for long.
Kind of looks like a hearse.
Yeah, I wonder how it ended up looking that way. What is the artist's vision on that?
I have been known to draw a few of those. It never gets old.
But by having my wife purchase it, we get way better interest rates, terms, everything else. All of this property is owned by both of us anyways, so.
Did you hear about Bill and Melinda Gates? This is the kind of low-grade construction materials.
First one to knock 3.
3? And I start right here?
Get set, go. Oh no!
You were in this position. Red Bull's on me.
I really, really wanted and needed in my life.
Needed.
And
no one wants carpet in their kitchen, and that's cheap.
maybe we'll change the floor.
No,
here.
yes, change all of this.
I do think Garrett is right.
As usual. Do you want to put a target right on your back for all those policemen? Try driving one of these. You'll get pulled over all the time.
For half off.
Was it half off?
Actually, you got it for free.
Yeah, for free. Do you have a beautiful pickup that you need to store out of the elements? Come store it at Yogi and Chan Storage, LLC.
Half off.
Half off. You get tired unloading your stuff at Chandler Storage? We'll give you a place to rest. Come on by, we got some vacancies. Are you a vampire or someone who really likes to live in dark, dreary places and only in dark and dreary places? Come by one of our underground houses. Lo incluimos sin cobrar nada. Gratis. Diles que Yogi les mandó.
Garrett's like heartfelt thank you made me feel really, really bad. We might end up buying a car for Garrett. We're just gonna have to see how I feel the next couple days.
I'll get a video of that when he's pooping. Mark, your dog.
I know what I want you to do.
This
Here.
man uses it.
Put this right here.
Smash the like button and subscribe.
All right, do your thing.
You use me. Smash the like button. Dale click al botón de like. Spanish. Telemundo.
Garrett, you want to take it away? Smash that button. Just give it a smash.
Smash the like button.
Carpet's cleaned and getting it good to go. But seriously, having someone just come in and clean this up really good and clean the carpets, like that's gonna go a long ways.
Amen to that. This is the master bedroom. This is where the bed will go. Chandler thinks it's going away, but we all know it'll be here forever. Tell him Yogi sent you.
Tell him Yogi sent you.